Hey guys, my name is That Quiet Kid, and today we are going to do a room on Tryhackme, that is Pickle Rick, and it is a Rick and Morty themed CTF. So let's dive right into it. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to exploit a web server to find three ingredients that will help Rick make his potion to transform himself back into a human from a pickle. So let's deploy this machine and connect to the Tryhackme VPN. You can download your VPN from here, going to the access and download your configuration file from here. And after that you have to do open VPN and your configuration file. And if you see this initialization sequence completed, this means now you are connected to the Tryhackme VPN. You can also confirm this by typing if config, and it will tell you there's except ethernet, there's also another interface that is turn 0, which has an IP of 10.8.130.2. So we have deployed this machine, and it will show us the IP in just a few seconds. Then the first thing we will do is run an nmap scan on it. Okay, we get the IP. So first of all, let's run nmap scan. -A means it's an aggressive scan. It scans, it runs default scripts as well as version detection. It does detection and as well as operating system detection. Let's run nmap, and we can also check what OS it is running by typing ping and the IP. And if TTL is less than 64, or means if it is around 64 or 63, that means it's a Linux machine. So as you can see that it is 63 right now, and if it was 128 or 130 or around that, then it would have been a Linux machine. It would have been a Windows machine. Okay, so I've started the nmap result is here. It has a port 22 open SSH secure shell, and it has a port 80. It has a website running, and it has a title. Rick is super cool. So we have two ports to enumerate here. So let's go to the website first. Okay, Rick is super. Help Morty. Listen, Morty. I need your help. I have turned myself into a pickle again, and this time I cannot change back. I need to burp. Morty, log onto my computer and find the last three secret ingredients to finish my pickle reverse potion. The only problem is I have no idea what the password was. Help, Morty, help. Okay, so let's view the source of this page. Okay, now note to self. Remember username. So it has given us the username, Rick rules. Let's save this into a file, gedit info.txt. Okay, now we know the username. I think this username is for a login into through SSH. Okay, is there anything else? No, I don't think so. So let's run GoBuster here to find if any subdirectories exist. For this I am using GoBuster. Okay, minus word is medium. I will use a medium directory, and we know that it's a Linux machine, so the extensions that we will be looking would be .php and .txt, and -t is for threads, and I will go with 40 threads so that it goes faster. Okay, so we have two ports open, that is SSH port 80, and we know the username. Let's see if robots.txt exists. Okay, wobble over dub dub. Okay, Let's try this as password. Okay, it has login.php and portal.php as well. Let's go to portal.php and login.php. Okay, so the username and password, maybe that username and password for this login page. It's the portal and the login. They both, I think they both go to the same page. Redirect user, this login.php and this portal.php, they both redirect to login.php, I think. So let's check it again. I think it was portal.php. Yeah, it redirects to login.php. So let's get out info.txt. Username was Rick Rules and whoever was the likely password. Okay. Okay, we have logged into this portal. So we are in. Okay. So it's running Apache. The programming language is PHP, and the operating system this portal is running on is Ubuntu. Okay, what can we do? Only the real rig can view this page. Pickle rig. This source. Nothing here. Questions. Bath clone notes. We'll check if this image has something. Using the source set stop. Okay. Okay. We found something else. Commands. Let's see what commands we can run here. That's ls, which means listing things. Okay. Super secret pickle ingredient.txt assets clue.txt deny.php. So, okay. So it is running system commands. So let's see if we can get a reverse shell from here. Test monkey. Let's see if we can cat out this file from here. I don't think so, but let's try it. Okay, command disabled to make it hard for future pickle rig. Okay, command disabled. So we cannot run the cat command from here. What just happened? Okay, so let's try to get a bash reverse shell first of all. What's my IP? What's my IP? It's I guess 10.8.130.2. So let's listen on port 8080 and I started a netcat listener and let's try our reverse shell. My IP was 10.130.2. Let's execute this and hope it works. Okay, it didn't work. Let's try and let's try other reversal. Let's try this one. I think this one should work. Please work. Okay, this also didn't work. Command disable. Okay, let's see if we can execute netcat. Let me see if my is 10.8. Start netcat listener on port 1234. See if this executes. Why it's not executing stuff? It's a base 64 string. Let's copy this and see what it has. Echo minus base 64 minus decode. It's not base 62. Okay, it's not base 64. Who am I? Where WWE data. We can run system commands, but why can't we get a reverse shell? Let's try a PHP one. We know that the server is running PHP. Okay, we got connection for a second, but then we lost it, I guess. Let's try again. Okay, we got connection, but it's terminating it. Let's Google PHP. Let's try this one. Oh, I didn't started my netcat listener, I guess. Okay, we got a shell. So we are in this system now. So let's get a interactive shell first. Import pty dot spawn slash bin slash bin slash bash. Okay, so Let's get some other functionality as well. Export extra stty raw minus echo g reset. Okay, now we can clear screen as well. Okay, so it has a this super secret. Let's, I think we have tap autocomplete as well now. Yes, we have Mr. Masick here. Let's see if that's an ingredient or not. Mr. Masick. Okay, so we have answered the first ingredient Rick needs. Next, what's the second ingredient Rick needs? Let's cat out this clue.txt. Look around the file system for the other ingredients. We have clue deny.php. We have robots portal login index. Let's go into assets.php. Assets. Okay. We have portal where Rick and Morty JPEG. We have portal.jpg. We have pickle Rick GIF fail.gif. jQuery.windows. Nothing interesting here. Let's go back. Let's go into backups. Okay, let's see if it has something. I'm not sure what that is, but let's get this file out as well. I think it tells us about the packages. We're www slash www dash data. We are, so let's see. Let's go into the home directory. Okay. Can we go into Rick? Yes, we can. Okay, second ingredient. We have found the second ingredient. Let's cat this out. I think we have tab autocomplete. Okay, one Jerry tier. Okay, okay, we have found the second ingredient as well. So the last ingredient that is left is, I don't know. Let's find out what's the last ingredient. Let's try sudo dash l to find out if we can run. Yeah, oh, we can run all the commands. So let's sudo su. This all password, this all no password all means the www data user can run all the super user commands. Means uh, you can run anything to escalate your privileges, and the machine won't ask for you the root password. Let's sudo su. So we are root. As you can see that we have changed from www dash data to root. So I can show you our id. It's root. I can go back and show you our previous id as well. We were www data, and just sudo su means switch user to switch. Sudo means su means switch user to sudo means root. So here we are root. So I think the last ingredient would be in the root directory. I think so. Let's go into root. Oh, we have found the third.txt. Flip juice. So we have found the third ingredient as well. I think this is correct. Okay, so we have found all the three ingredients Rick needed in order to turn back itself into Rick. So okay, so that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.